Here on ProTinkerToys.com, another unboxing of another one of our items. This is the Auto World John Force Dragstrip race. This is like 7 feet of track. You get 2 John Force cars, Dragstrip. They're 4-gear cars by Auto World. Okay, and this is a sweet box, guys. You get a good deal here. I bought them out. Auto World had like 170 of these. I said I want them all, so I own them all. Okay. All right. So first of all, you get the instructions. You get 2 John Force Dragstrip 4-gear cars, and these are super fast. So if you want to have fun with your kids, plus you get all this track, straight track. And then you get your hand throttles. You get pretty sweet hand throttles. These are the hand throttles, standard hand throttles. And then you get the start gate and the end gate when you're racing. Okay. These are really sweet. So these all light up. They go through a series of lights, red, yellow, green, go! Okay? And then this is the stop. Whoever's the winner will light up first. So that's in the beginning, and then that's at the end. And you just keep adding to it. I mean, and you can make a huge track with this too. So this is the John Force Dragstrip race. Okay? You get 2 cars. You get about, I think it's 17 feet of track. I mean, for the price of this thing is, I mean, I know my price. I think my price is like $100, something like that. But whatever it is, I mean, the normal price was like $149. I've got that price beat because I own them all. So you want to have fun? You want to have a drag strip race? Get your John Force drag strip set at ProTinkerToys.com.